When you look at Saturn through a telescope, you're seeing one of the most iconic images in all of science. Those rings feel permanent, ancient, like they've always been there and always will be. They haven't, and they won't. Saturn is actively destroying its own rings right now, as you read this. The planet's gravity and magnetic field are pulling ring material down into the atmosphere in a process scientists call ring rain. Hundreds of tons of ice and dust fall into Saturn every single hour. At that rate, the rings will be completely gone in roughly 100 million years. That sounds like a long time. On a cosmic scale, it isn't. The solar system is 4.6 billion years old. 100 million years is about 2% of that. Saturn's rings are not a permanent feature of the solar system. They're a temporary one. And here's what makes that stranger. The rings themselves are surprisingly young. Most estimates put their formation at between 100 million and 400 million years ago, meaning they appeared roughly around the time dinosaurs were walking on Earth. They weren't there when the solar system formed. Something created them relatively recently, possibly a moon that wandered too close and was torn apart by Saturn's gravity. So, the rings appeared. They're disappearing. And the window in which humans evolved, built telescopes and looked up to see them may be one of the narrowest coincidences in our history. We didn't just happen to exist, we happened to exist at exactly the right moment to see them. 1 billion years from now, Saturn will just be a planet, and whatever is looking up at it won't know what they missed.